If you are here in Japan and you want to send money to your relatives or to your own account in your home country in a fast and easy way, then you are in the right channel. Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this vlog, I will talk about the very first app that I was using to send money back to my home country, and that is Payforex. The reason why I'm using the Payforex app, it's because when I was still a student here in Japan, I didn't have an online bank app and the bank was a bit far from my place. And when I check on social media, I found out about this Payforex app, and I would say it's trusted and it's reliable. With the Payforex app, I can just set up the amount I would like to send to my own account or to my relatives, and then I can just go to the nearest convenience store, which is Lawson. And Lawson was very near at my place. I would say it was quick, fast, and easy. How to send money through Payforex. So this is how it looks like if you're using the app. I'm using my phone right now and I'm trying to log in. And this is how it looks like. This is the main page. You can see the beneficiary button. Beneficiary is the one who will receive the money. You can send it to your own account or to your relatives. My beneficiaries are shown there because I already set it up. Okay, so we are on the remittance or the beneficiary page where you could select which account you would like to send the money to. So here, I already set up mine, but later on, I will show you how to add beneficiary. When we say beneficiary, it's the account where you would like to send your money. So let's say I would select this second account. We are routed to this screen where you can see a Japanese yen and Philippine peso. So this is where you enter the amount you would like to send. So for example, you have 50,000 yen. Okay, 50,000. So with 50,000 yen, that's gonna be 19,040 in peso. But let's say if you want to receive the exact amount, like for example, you want to receive 19,000 in peso, that's gonna be 49,895 in yen. You can do it vice versa depending on which you prefer. So once you're set with that, just scroll down. Then click on I agree to the overseas remittance terms and privacy policy and click next. You will be routed to transaction summary. Now we are on transaction summary. You can see the remittance amount which you will receive in peso, which is 19,000 in peso. Then the current exchange rate is at 38 as of the current date. Remittance fee of 900 yen. A total of 50,795 Japanese yen amount that you need to pay. So once you're okay with that, just click on add to cart. Now we are on the transaction summary, additional details for your amount transaction. You can see the remittance amount, the exchange amount, the remittance fee, and then the total amount you need to pay. So it will show here, total amount you pay will be 50,795 Japanese yen. Then click on pay now. You will be routed to select deposit method. So usually I select convenience store, not really usually, always. So I always go to Lawson to pay for the transaction. Actually, there are 5 options here deducted from my balance. So you can see 2,000 Japanese yen here because I have 2,000 currently on my Payforex account. The second option is pay by P-coin, which I really don't know about that. And next is pay easy bank transfer. For bank transfer, it's just only GMO and PayPay Bank. So I don't use that one. I always use a convenience store and I will always go to Lawson. So when I click that, click confirm to pay. To complete, you will be asked with your transaction password, and transaction password will be sent to you once you fully verified your account. By the way, for your transaction password, they will send it to your phone number registered. So please make sure to save your transaction password once they send it to you. Now we are on the transaction confirmation. Please complete the deposit procedure at the designated convenience store. Make sure to screenshot this page because you will be needing this once you go to the convenience store. You can see here the QR code. the customer number and the confirmation number.
After we had processed it on our Payforex app, then we can go to Lawson to pay. And we need our QR code to process our payment. We will scan the QR code through the Lopi machine. So this is the Lopi machine. This is how it looks like. You just have to scan the QR code through here. So just scan your QR code from here. Once you scan it, the reminder screen will show up. So just click hi or yes, and then your account information will show. Make sure to double check and that your name is reflecting in there. If all information is okay, just click next or hi, and then you got the receipt. And then get the receipt and then show it to the cashier and pay at the counter. And that's it. As easy as that. After a few minutes, you will receive the money on your own account, or your relatives will receive the money that you sent. And just to take note, if you send the money on weekends, please be advised that you would receive that on the next business days. Like for example, if you process the payment on weekends, then you would most likely receive that on Mondays. So yes. Now, how to register. You will actually need 5 things to register. To register, you will need your email address, your phone number, your identification documents such as your passport and your residence card, and then you will need your address details, and then 5th is optional, your bank details. If you want to link your banking information through the said app, then you can add your bank details, and that's it. And also, I will attach my referral link down below. If you sign up using my referral link, you can actually get 2,000 yen. Payforex has referral campaign right now, so make sure to sign up using my referral link. And otherwise, you can also download the Payforex app and then include my referral code so that you'll still get your 2,000 yen. And 2,000 yen is already a great deal. So make sure to sign up using my code or using my referral link down below. Now, let me guide you on how to register and how to add the referral code. The first step is to download the Payforex app. And once you downloaded the app, just click on the app and this is what we're gonna show. Just click allow. Just continue with the process, and then after this just click next. Just keep on clicking next until you will be routed to the sign up page. Click sign up first and then enter your email or Japan mobile number. So I entered my email address in this process, and then get the PIN code. Just click I agree, and then just enter the PIN code that was been sent to your phone number if you entered your phone number, or to your email. Once you enter the PIN code correctly, then you will be asked for password initialization. So just create your new password, and then don't forget my referral code. It's 0487. Okay, that's okay. Then click next or save. Oh, my password is not correct, so I have to change my password. Okay, I have changed my password, and now we are fully registered, but we are not fully verified because we need to submit our identity confirmation document. So just click on those steps, make sure to complete that, and you will be all set. This is how it would look like if you will continue the process. So what is your nationality? If you're a foreigner, then yes, click on that. Set up the currency. So since I'm from the Philippines, I choose Philippines. Then just make sure to complete this information being asked. Occupation, annual income, estimated amount of remittance per year, just an estimated amount though. Then just make sure to complete all the process. This app actually has transaction summary, transaction history, and other things that you can check. In sending money, you have the option to click on remittance.
or you can click on beneficiary.
There is no information showing there as this is just a new account I created to give you an overview. Click on new beneficiary to add your new beneficiary. This is how it would look like once you have successfully added your beneficiary. By the way, I almost forgot, you can also check the Payforex website. I will also add that on the description. So feel free to check their sites. Just a disclaimer, I am not in any way connected to Payforex company, but I'm doing this vlog because I want to share to you the app that I'm using here in Japan as a foreigner. Here in Japan, I actually use two apps to send money, and that is Wise and Payforex. I am currently using the Wise app because even though I'm just at home, I can send money. Unlike before, when I was still a student, that my only option was to go to Lawson. But from time to time, I'm still using the Payforex app. If you are curious to know about the other app that I'm using, I made a separate vlog before comparing Wise, Payforex, and the Smile app. So feel free to watch that vlog. I will attach the link on my description below. I hope this vlog is helpful and see you on my next vlog. Papush!